Hey guys, it's Briana. So as promised, today I'm going back to school. So I'm going to be doing a move-in vlog. Right now I'm still in Georgia, so we're going to drive to Tallahassee and I'm going to keep y'all updated.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies.
Here's water. My butt is hurting.
Total drunk driving crashes every year, but that's still no.
Yes?
Did you hear what I said?
No.
But you
can't keep this, right?
I don't know. Kind of keep it. We got this comforter for like $30.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters.
Man, this covers it. Oh, this looks nice. I don't know bed like pillows.
It looks cute.
And see, when you make up your bed like this, you don't go back to bed.
I have an idea for my rods. I'm going to use these thumbtacks.
Where's the curtain for this? Don't throw it away. You never know when you might need it. No?
Say hi to my vlog.
Wait, you do
What?
it or no? You want this here?
Yes. It's kind of dark in here. I should bring my ring light out.
Where do you want it?
I'll put this in the bathroom. I look crusty, but everything is coming along. My bathroom is high-key, very colorful. And I bought this plant because, you know, I'm trying to get into plants. It's fake though, so. But it's a start. Okay. It's kind of, oh my gosh. I don't want to break any more because clearly it was cheap. How's your scratching going? It's so dark. I need to take my ring light out. But yeah, we're doing this decal. Do I have a picture of it? No. But it's a big dry erase board.
You stick this part? But it's gonna come out. Huh? Where? Over the toilet? Yeah. Or is there space like above the mirror? Well, actually, yeah, put it over the toilet.
A little slanted though.
Huh?
It's a little slanted. Oh, look at the baby one.
I'm trying to get this off, but wait. Okay.
Wait, why are you taking it off?
Oh,
You
wait.
don't- Oh, it's the regular one.
Oh!
It's just like a
Oops.
sticker.
But it's not.
I love this plant. I want more plants. It's an aesthetic. I was trying to do that and one of them fell off. Yeah, it's in the garbage. Do you see it? It's so colorful and then it's like a big change when you come in here. Do you think my room is dull? I think I need more pink. I need more pink. It's dull. Hey guys, I'm back. So it is the next day and honestly I've done a lot of unpacking that I didn't really film, but I have some clothes packed away, but I still have like suitcases and clothes to wash, but yeah, I didn't want to show too much in depth because I plan on doing a room tour, so I'm going to show you guys everything more in depth. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little moving vlog, and I hope it wasn't too, is it blurry? I hope it wasn't too all over the place because I feel like it was, and I feel like I didn't really film too much. But yeah, room tour coming soon, guys. Room tour coming soon. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.